Hey guys, the Learning Tiger here, and in today's HTML tutorial, we're going to be learning about fragment links. So, yeah, first of all, what are fragment links? Oh, okay. Let's say you want to, you made a link, like a hyperlink. So right here, a hyperlink. And let's say you want to click to a specific section of your web page, then you can do that with a fragment link. So to make a fragment link, you just have to create a hyperlink, which I did right here. And then you're gonna have to do this. So uh, first, let me show you how my web page looks right now. So yeah, yeah, I need to fix that. But yeah, here is my web page. So school subjects, yeah, the ones I did during my high school and college years. So yeah, let's say if I want to go to a specific section, like let's say maybe computer science. Yeah, I need to put a fragment link, which I already have a text here right here. CS. Now I need to click on it, so it will take me down here. So in order to do that, first need to put ID. We need to give it a name, and then ID, which stands for identification, to identify it. So just gonna call this top, and then HREF, which you may already know it stands for hypertext reference, but if you haven't seen my previous videos, I'm telling you this now. Call this comp sci. Comp sci. Yeah, let's run this. Yeah, there it is, the link. But one other thing we need to do is we need to also write code over here, which when you click on this, it's going to jump here and scroll down here. Now, you're wondering, yeah, to save you some time, I wrote all this text myself before I recorded the video. So, let's get into. Okay. Now, in order to do like when I click on this, I'll scroll down to the computer science section. Science. We need to again put in our identification ID, and what are we going to call this? What we call her? Yeah. So ID is going to be comp sci. So I'm too lazy to type. I'm going to copy paste ID, then text reference. Text reference and what they called it top. I called it top. So yeah, for the hypertext reference, if you want it to fragment, you need to put this hash symbol, hashtag, whatever you want to call it. It's a hash symbol. So yeah. So let's run this. There you have it. When I clicked on CS, jumped to the computer science section. But again, I want to go to the history section. We need to do the same thing. You know, I'll call this the top something else. Top CS. Top CS. Okay. I'll use the type, so I'm gonna copy paste. I'm gonna call this top H. I'm gonna call that hist. IST. Yeah, just gonna call it that. Again, I click on hist. Oop, wait. Oh, that's right. Forgot to do it in the history section as well. HRE. Okay, and then that's hashtag top H here. Have that right? Yeah, I have that right. Top H. Now let's save this. And now let's run it. And there you have it. You're on the history section now. So again, let me explain it. To make a So when I clicked on this CS link, hyperlink, takes me down to the computer science. So again, you need to first put an identification for the hyperlink. Then you need to give it a reference. You need to specify where you want to click on. In this case, CS would be here, comp side, referencing comp side, and the over here you need to references comp CS. So it's telling us that you need to click on this is telling us click right here, and for the same thing here, we click on it, will take us over here. So yeah, that's how you make a. No, let me start over. So yeah, that's how you make a fragment link. Now, yeah, that'll be all for this video. Thank you for watching, and if you are new to my channel, please like and subscribe. And I'm gonna see you. I'll see you guys in the next video.